In this video, I'll show you how you can create your Axiom Pro account and get 10% off of all fees. So what you need to do is you need to go to Axiom Pro. Now, what I would recommend you do is click on the link in the description, because if you click on that link, or anyone's referral link for that matter, it will give you 10% off of all trading fees. So if you find a referral link, which will be in the description below, and you register via that referral link, you'll receive 10% discount on trading fees. So click on that link and then it will take you here. Then go sign up in the top right hand corner. And if you've clicked on my link, you should have the referral code already entered in, which will be Full Moon. You can then go ahead and sign up with your email. And once you've done that and you've confirmed your code, which will be sent to your email, you can go ahead and enter in your password and then confirm that password. Now, once you've logged into your account, it will show you your recovery key. Now, this recovery key will allow you to get back into your wallet if you lose the credentials. So make sure you click Reveal My Key, you write it down on a piece of paper and you keep it safe. If you keep it safe, you will always be able to gain access back into your account using this recovery key. Nonetheless, once you've done that, you can go ahead and deposit some crypto by clicking on the deposit button, and you can then deposit Solana. I'll make a video on that, so it should be on screen now, or I'll leave a link in the description below, but that is how you do sign up.